Hey everyone! So yeah, in this video, I'll show you how to use Canva step by step. Canva is a powerful tool for creating professional designs like social media posts, presentations, posters, and more. First, go to canva.com and sign in or create a free account. Having an account is essential to save your designs and access templates. Click Create a Design and select the project type: Instagram post, poster, presentation, or custom dimensions. Choosing the right template size makes your design look professional. Browse templates and select one that fits your project, or start from scratch if you prefer full customization. Click on text to edit it. Change fonts, colors, and sizes. Add elements like images, shapes, icons, or stickers from the left sidebar and drag and drop them as needed. You can also upload your own photos via uploads for personal branding or unique content. When your design is ready, click Share or Download. Choose the format PNG, JPG, PDF, and save it. Pro tips: use consistent fonts and colors, explore Canva's free elements, and use grids for alignment. These small tips make your designs look polished and professional. And yeah, that's how to use Canva step by step in 2026. If this guide helped you, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.